Welcome to our channel. Wi-Fi.wavlink.com Setup Guide, Quick Fixes when it's not working. Power on the device. Begin by plugging your Wavlink Wi-Fi extender into a power socket and wait patiently until the power indicator light becomes solid, which means the device is ready for setup. Connect to default Wi-Fi. On your mobile phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default network called Wavlink, which is created by the extender for initial setup. Open the setup page. Now, launch any web browser and in the address bar type wifi.wavlink.com or the IP address 192.168.10.1 to reach the configuration page. Log into the dashboard. Once the page opens, enter the default username and password, in most cases both are admin, to access the setup dashboard of your extender. Choose extender mode. Inside the dashboard, select repeater mode or extender mode, which is designed to boost and extend the range of your existing Wi-Fi network. Select your home Wi-Fi network. From the list of available networks that appears, carefully choose your main home Wi-Fi network that you want to extend. Enter Wi-Fi password. Type in the correct password of your home Wi-Fi, double-check it for accuracy, and confirm the settings so the extender can connect successfully. Quick fixes when Wi-Fi.wavlink.com is not working. Clear browser issues. If the setup page does not open, clear your browser history and cache, or simply try using a different browser or device to avoid loading errors. Check network connection. Make sure that your device is connected to the extender's Wi-Fi network and not your main router. Also, turn off mobile data or VPN before trying again. Reset the extender. If the issue still continues, press and hold the reset button on the extender until it reboots, then repeat the setup process from the beginning. Thank you for watching.